Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your site in Odoo. So Odoo includes a built-in form builder that lets you create contact forms without coding. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the website, app or model right here, and then open the page where you want the form. Okay, so for example I want it on this page. Okay, and then just go and click on edit at the top right corner, so that's option. So now you will need to open the blocks. Okay, so this tab, and then find the form section. So it's that one, so contact and a form. So you only just to drag the contact form block into the page. So for example I want to drag it to the last or to the bottom of the page, so right here, hold and drag. Okay, so now you will need to select. As you can see, the Odoo automatically inserts a ready to use contact form. So you will need just to use or to choose. Okay, so for example, I will go with that one, and there you go. Right. So now you can customize the form fields. So you only just to click the form to edit. Okay, so this field, this field, this field, this one, that one. Right, so everything. You can even replace the image by going with replace here on the media. Okay, so also you can add fields, remove fields, reorder fields, change labels, make fields required, like the name, email, number, company, subject, question, etc. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.